today's short video, we're here at... Saan daw? Kalamba? Somewhere in Kalamba. I don't know the address. Ay, Kabuyaw. Sorry. Hello. Kasili daw to. Kabuyaw. Ang ganda lang guys ng ambience. Ganda guys, grabe. Nakakaganda yung mga decorations.